Have you ever wondered if your diet could be more than just a means to satisfy hunger, but a tool for positive change? Welcome to the world of veganism, a lifestyle choice that is growing in popularity around the globe, and for good reasons. Veganism, at its core, is about abstaining from the use of animal products, particularly in diet. But it's more than just a diet, it's a philosophy that seeks to promote a more compassionate and sustainable way of living. It's about making conscious choices that reflect our values and beliefs. Over the past few years, we've seen a remarkable growth in the number of people adopting a vegan lifestyle. This isn't a fad or a trend, it's a response to the mounting evidence of the potential benefits of a plant-based diet to our health, the environment, and animal welfare. When it comes to health, a well-planned vegan diet can provide all the nutrients your body needs, while reducing your risk of certain health conditions. Studies show that vegans tend to have lower blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, and a lower risk of heart disease. They're also less likely to be overweight or obese. In terms of the environment, adopting a vegan lifestyle can help reduce your ecological footprint. Livestock farming is one of the biggest contributors to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. By choosing plant-based foods, we can help combat climate change and preserve our planet for future generations. And let's not forget about animal welfare. By choosing not to consume animal products, we're taking a stand against animal cruelty and exploitation. We're saying that every creature has the right to live free from harm and suffering. So, if you're intrigued by the idea of a lifestyle that aligns with your values and potentially benefits your health, stay tuned. There's so much more to discover about veganism, and we're excited to share it with you. What does a vegan plate look like, you might ask? Well, let's dive right in. A balanced vegan plate is a symphony of colors and flavors, bursting with variety. It's a dynamic mix of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Each component brings its own unique nutritional profile and culinary charm to the table. It's not just about leafy greens and tofu, though they certainly have their place. Fruits and vegetables, for instance, are powerhouses of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They're the vibrant reds, oranges, yellows, and purples that make your plate pop. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats are the hearty, energy-giving base of many a vegan meal. They're high in fiber and help you feel full and satisfied. Then there are legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas. These are the protein-packed stars of the vegan plate. They're also rich in fiber and a host of other nutrients. And let's not forget about nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses provide healthy fats and are a good source of protein too. Speaking of protein, let's address a common misconception. Many people worry about getting enough protein on a vegan diet. The truth is, a well-planned vegan diet can easily meet your protein needs. There's protein in nearly all plant foods, and some, like lentils, quinoa, and tofu, are particularly high in this essential nutrient. A vegan plate is about balance and variety. It's about eating a rainbow of foods to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. It's about discovering new flavors and textures and enjoying the bounty that the plant kingdom has to offer. And the best part, all this delicious and nutritious food is cruelty-free. It's food that nourishes your body, respects the planet, and honors the lives of animals. As you see, a vegan plate is every bit as colorful, varied, and nutritious as any other. Transitioning to veganism doesn't have to be a daunting task. It's all about taking small, manageable steps. Let's start with the basics. You might want to begin by introducing one meat-free day per week into your routine. This could be a fun opportunity to explore new dishes, and you might be surprised at the variety and deliciousness of vegan meals. Next, start looking for vegan alternatives to your favorite foods. There's a whole world of plant-based substitutes out there, from vegan cheeses and meats to plant-based milks and eggs. These alternatives can help make the transition smoother and more enjoyable without feeling like you're missing out on your favorite flavors. Now, let's talk about experimenting with new recipes. Vegan cooking can be an exciting culinary adventure, opening up a whole world of ingredients and flavors you might not have thought to try before. Why not challenge yourself to try a new vegan recipe each week? This could be a fun way to discover new favorite meals and expand your cooking repertoire. As you explore and experiment, remember to be patient with yourself. Transitioning to veganism is a journey, not a race. It's okay to have slip-ups or to find certain things challenging. The important thing is that you're making a conscious effort to make more ethical and sustainable choices. And finally, don't forget to celebrate your victories, no matter how small they may seem. Every meat-free meal is a win for the animals, the planet, and your health. So give yourself a pat on the back every now and then and remember to enjoy the journey. As you embark on your vegan journey, remember that there's a whole community out there ready to support you. From online forums and blogs to local vegan groups and events, there are plenty of resources available to help you navigate your new lifestyle. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. So whether you're going vegan for the animals, the planet, or your health, every step you take towards a more plant-based lifestyle is a step in the right direction. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, the challenges of a vegan lifestyle. Like any significant change, transitioning to a vegan diet comes with its own set of hurdles. But don't worry, these are not insurmountable. In fact, with a little bit of planning and a positive attitude, you can navigate these challenges with ease. One of the most common challenges that new vegans face is dealing with social situations. It's not uncommon to find yourself at a dinner table with a spread that has little to no vegan options. The key here is communication. Don't hesitate to let your host know about your dietary preferences beforehand. You could even offer to bring a vegan dish to share. This not only ensures that you have something to eat, but it also introduces others to the variety and deliciousness of vegan food. Next up is the challenge of finding vegan options while eating out. While this might seem daunting at first, with a little research, you'll find that many restaurants offer vegan options or are willing to modify their dishes to suit your needs. There are also a plethora of apps and websites that can help you locate vegan-friendly eateries in your area. Ensuring nutritional adequacy is another important aspect to consider when switching to a vegan diet. It might seem like a tall order at first, but with a balanced diet and a little knowledge about plant-based sources of essential nutrients, it's completely doable. Remember to include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, seeds, and nuts in your diet to meet your nutritional needs. Lastly, remember to be patient with yourself. You might not get everything right in the beginning, and that's perfectly okay. It's not about being perfect, it's about striving towards a more ethical and sustainable lifestyle, one meal at a time. With a little preparation and a positive mindset, these challenges can certainly be overcome. So let's keep moving forward on this exciting journey towards a healthier, more compassionate world. Nutrition is key, and veganism is no exception. We've all heard the old adage, "You are what you eat." And that's as true for vegans as it is for anyone else. A vegan lifestyle can be incredibly rewarding, but it's essential to maintain a balanced diet to ensure your body gets all the nutrients it needs. So what exactly does a balanced vegan diet look like? Well, it's a colorful mix of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. These food groups provide a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and fiber that keep our bodies running smoothly. But it's not just about what you eat. It's also about how you combine these foods to ensure a well-rounded intake of nutrients. Now let's talk supplements. There are a few nutrients that can be more challenging to obtain from a vegan diet, such as vitamin B12, omega-3 fatty acids, and sometimes iron. That's where supplements can come in handy. Vitamin B12, for example, is crucial for nerve function and the production of red blood cells. It's predominantly found in animal products, so supplementation is often recommended for vegans. Omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart and brain health, can be found in flax seeds, chia seeds, and hemp seeds, but a supplement can also be beneficial. And while iron is present in many plant foods, it's not as easily absorbed as the iron from animal sources, so an iron supplement might be considered, especially for those prone to anemia. But remember, supplements are just that, a supplement to a healthy diet, not a replacement. They should never be used as an excuse to eat poorly. Eating a variety of foods and rotating your meals can help ensure you're getting a broad spectrum of nutrients. Staying nutritious on a vegan diet isn't about perfection, it's about making informed choices, listening to your body, and seeking advice from healthcare professionals when needed. With the right planning and knowledge, a vegan diet can meet all your nutritional needs. You might be wondering, what does a day in the life of a vegan look like? Well, let me assure you, it's far from dull. In fact, it's a colorful, delicious, and exciting culinary adventure. Let's embark on a gastronomic journey of a day in the life of a vegan. For breakfast, imagine a bowl of overnight oats soaked in almond milk and sweetened with a drizzle of maple syrup. Top that off with a medley of fresh berries, a sprinkle of chia seeds, and a dollop of peanut butter. Now that's a breakfast of champions. Moving on to lunch. Picture this, a vibrant Buddha bowl filled with quinoa, roasted sweet potatoes, fresh avocado slices, and a handful of chickpeas. It's dressed with a tangy tahini dressing that ties all the flavors together. It's not just nutritious and filling, but also a feast for the eyes. As we approach the afternoon, we might need a little pick-me-up. How about a homemade energy bar? It's packed with dates, nuts, and seeds, providing a wholesome burst of energy to keep you going. And finally, dinner. Imagine a hearty lentil curry, simmered with aromatic spices, served alongside fluffy basmati rice. It's comfort food at its finest, and yes, it's entirely plant-based. Throughout the day, we've enjoyed a variety of foods, each offering a unique blend of flavors, textures, and nutrients. That's the beauty of a vegan diet. It encourages you to explore new foods and flavors, pushing your culinary boundaries. And let's not forget about the countless other vegan recipes out there. From tofu scramble to vegan lasagna, from black bean burgers to decadent chocolate cakes, the possibilities are endless, so don't let the term vegan intimidate you. It's not about deprivation, rather it's about discovering new foods, experimenting in the kitchen, and enjoying a variety of nutritious and delicious meals. As you can see, a vegan diet can be just as delicious and diverse as any other. There's a wealth of resources out there to support your vegan journey. First things first, let's talk about recipes. The vegan culinary world is vast and diverse, and there's no shortage of delicious, satisfying, and innovative recipes to explore. Websites like Oh She Glows and Minimalist Baker offer a plethora of vegan recipes, from hearty main courses to sweet treats. And if you're the old-fashioned type, there are countless vegan cookbooks available. Veganomicon and the Vegan Stoner Cookbook are just two examples. Now, when it comes to nutrition, it's crucial to ensure you're getting all the necessary nutrients and vitamins. Websites like Vegan Health and the Vegan RD provide detailed nutritional information and advice tailored to vegans. They cover everything from protein sources to the importance of B12. For more personalized advice, consider consulting with a dietitian who specializes in plant-based nutrition. Apart from recipes and nutrition, embracing the vegan lifestyle also involves making informed choices about clothing, cosmetics, and more. Websites like Leaping Bunny and PETA have comprehensive lists of brands that do not test on animals and offer vegan products. Now, let's not forget the importance of community. Connecting with other vegans can provide support, inspiration, and a sense of belonging. There are numerous vegan forums and online communities where you can share experiences, ask questions, and learn from others. Vegan Forum, Our Vegan on Reddit, and the Vegan Society are great places to start. Don't shy away from local community resources either. Look for vegan meetups, cooking classes, and festivals in your area. These can be wonderful opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals, learn new recipes, and even advocate for animal rights. And finally, don't forget about documentaries and books that delve into the ethical, environmental, and health aspects of veganism. Films like Cowspiracy and Forks Over Knives, and books like Eating Animals by Jonathan Safran Foer and The China Study by T. Colin Campbell offer deep insights into the vegan lifestyle. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. There's a whole community out there ready to support you. Going vegan is a personal journey, and it's different for everyone. This is a road paved with conscious decisions, and it's important to remember that perfection is not the destination. It's about aligning your lifestyle with your values, making choices that reflect your beliefs about health, the environment, and animal welfare. Veganism is a lifestyle that is as diverse as the people who embrace it. It can have profound positive impacts on your health, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting overall well-being. It's about nourishing your body with a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. These are the building blocks of a balanced vegan diet, filled with all the nutrients you need to thrive. But let's not forget about the environment. By choosing a vegan lifestyle, you're also making a choice that benefits our planet. It's a step towards reducing your carbon footprint, conserving water, and preserving our precious ecosystems. And then, of course, there's the matter of animal welfare. By choosing plant-based foods, you're taking a stand against animal cruelty, advocating for a world where animals are treated with respect and compassion. Transitioning to veganism is a journey, not a sprint. It's about making gradual changes, focusing on progress rather than perfection. It's about overcoming challenges with preparation and a positive mindset, and remembering that every step forward is a victory. Nutrition is key in a vegan lifestyle. Ensuring nutritional adequacy is crucial, and supplements can play a helpful role. Remember, it's not just about avoiding animal products, it's about creating a diet that is balanced, nutritious, and delicious. And speaking of delicious, let's not forget about the wide range of vegan recipes available. There's a world of flavors out there waiting to be discovered. Vegan food can be as exciting, diverse, and satisfying as any other cuisine. You're not alone in this journey. There are countless resources available, from recipe websites to nutritional guides, online communities, and more. They're there to support you, to inspire you, and to help you navigate your vegan journey. If you've been thinking about going vegan, why not take the first step today? You might be surprised by what you discover. Thank you for watching. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips on living a plant-based life.